good girl. So, what is the four seasons, my dear? This is the four season, my dear. First, what is this?
Winter.
Good job. That is the one of the seasons. How about this one?
Autumn.
Good job. Very good. How about this one?
Summer.
Very good. How about this one?
Spring.
Good job. In the winter, what did you do? When you have a snow, what did you do, my dear? When they have a snow in the winter seasons, you have to make what? What did you make?
I make a snowman.
Yes, very good. Good job. When the winter is coming and they have a raining of snow, so you have to make a snowman. Good job. If it is cold, what did you wear?
I wear a jacket.
Good job, very good. How about what will you say when it's so cold?
It's cold.
Good job, very good. Okay, next season, my dear. When it's spring, what did you do?
I I pack flowers.
Okay, can you say it again? I pick flowers.
I pick flowers.
Good job. Very good, my dear. How about if it is so hot? What did you wear?
I wear my
Or
raincoat.
if it is raining, I mean, what did you wear, my dear?
I wear a raining coat.
Good job. Very good. And if it is spring, what will you say?
It's warm.
Good job. Oh, okay. How about what if our season it's summer? What did you wear?
I wear a t-shirt. I wear a t-shirt and shorts.
Good job. Very good. When we have a summer, where did you go?
I go to the beach.
Yes, very good. How about if it is hot? What will you say?
It's hot.
Yay! Good job. Very good. How about in autumn? What did you wear?
I wear
What will you wear, my dear? What would you wear?
I wear pajamas.
Yes, good job. If it is autumn, you can see the leaves. So what will you see in the leaves, my dear?
I see the leaves fall.
Yes, good job. How about what will you say if it is autumn seasons?
It's cool. It's cool.
Yes, very good, my dear. Good job. Okay, very good for your review session. Okay, so we will go to our our lesson. So it's all about, okay. So can you see my screen, dear?
Yes.
Wow. Okay. So can you read this big word. What is this?
Speaking.
Yes, good job. So we will go or we will learn about speaking. Okay, next. So, what can you see in the pictures? You have to find the difference between the pictures. Okay, in the first picture, what can you see?
I can see the bird.
Bird. While in the second picture, what can you see?
I can see dog.
Yes, good job. Next.
I can see the leaf is red.
Yes, good job. Next.
I can see the leaf is yellow.
Very good. Next one, my dear.
I can see the kite is fly.
Very good. How about the second picture?
I can see the kite is not fly.
Very good. Good job. Next.
I can see two houses.
Very good. In the second picture.
I can see one house.
Very good. Good job. Very good, my dear. Okay. Okay, so I will reveal the answer. Okay. Okay. Can you please read the suggest, my dear? Can you read this one?
Here there are two houses, but they one house.
Very good, good job. So your answer is correct because you noticed the difference between two houses and one houses. Okay, there are four other difference. What can you please read?
Mm. Mm.
Okay, can you please read, my dear? What is the other differences in that pictures?
I don't read.
Oh, kite flying. Can you see my screen, dear?
Is it? Not.
Oh, okay. Okay. Again, I will going to share it with you. So, okay. How about now? Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. So next, can you please read our four other differences?
Kite flying. Kite,
And
kite on grass.
good job. Next.
Girl standing.
And then,
Girl running.
very good. Next.
Bird, cat.
Good job. And the next one.
Red, yellow leaves.
Yay! Very good, my dear, because you got a perfect score when you notice the differences between a two picture. Very good job, my dear. Okay, next. So, we will going to talk about your places. Let's talk about you and the places you go to. Okay, the first um questions. Do you often go out, my dear? Do you often go out or go outside?
No,
Okay, can you say it again? No, I didn't go outside.
no, I didn't go outside.
Good job. Okay. Okay, we will go to our next story. Okay, my dear, what can you see in the first pictures?
I can see the boy.
Yes, a boy. And then what can you see?
I can see the man.
Yes, the man. He is carrying his child. Can you say it again? The father, he is carrying his child. Can you say that?
The father is carrying a child.
Very good. Good job. How about the second picture?
The mother is carrying the
Hair child.
child.
Good job. Okay. Can you say this one? In the second picture, there is a father and mother who's carrying their child. Can you say that one, my dear?
Father and the mother carrying a child.
Their their child. Okay, can you say it again? The mother and father are carrying their child. Can you say that?
The father and the mother carrying the child.
Very good. Okay, how about in the third picture? What can you see?
The child holding the two children holding a bread and milk.
Yes, good job. Okay, again, my dear. The in the is it girl? I think the baby is giving his bread and milk to the other children. Can you say that one, my dear?
The girl,
The first baby, okay, again, the first baby is giving his um bread and milk to the other children. Can you say that one, my dear?
the baby give his bread and milk
Two.
to children.
Yes, good job. Very good. So, how about in the third picture? What can you see? Because he give his milk. So, what can you see, my dear?
I can see the baby and the mother.
Yes, good job. And he is crying. Okay, can you say that one?
The baby and the baby is crying.
Yes, good job. So the other children, what can you see in the swing?
The children is sitting on the
Okay, on the swing and then drink.
swing and drink.
Yes, drink a milk. Okay, can you say that one again? Again, my dear. The baby
The baby sitting on the shield
and
and drink milk.
good job. But his father, what is his reaction?
He
He is what, my dear? What can you see in his reaction?
Đứa trẻ đi khi playing streaming. Nói đi, nói đi,
The father is what?
nói.
don't know.
Okay, the father is shocked because he has a milk. Okay, again, my dear, can you say it again? The father is shocked because his baby is drinking a milk. Okay, can you say that one?
The father is shocked the,
Because
because the baby is drink milk.
yes, good job. Very good. So that's how the story begins. Okay, next. Okay. So Jess, so can you please read, my dear?
It's sunny day. Down in the park with his father. He got a cake.
Good job. Very good. So that is the other possible story about that pictures, about that 4 pictures. Okay. So can you please find the difference between these 4 pictures, my dear? Okay.
Okay.
First, again,
Okay.
what is this?
It's lemon. It's pineapple. It's book. It's orange.
Good job. So what is the difference of
The
4
book.
and them?
The
Good,
book. The book
good,
is different.
good job. Very good. So how about the next pictures?
I can see the boy holding a box.
Good job. Or a gift.
I can see the boy gift the box.
Okay, again. I can see the boy is smiling because he is holding a box.
I can see the boy is smiling because he's holding a box.
Yes, very good. Next picture.
Mm, the girl is crying because the toy is
Is what? Is broken.
is broken.
Yes, good job. How about the third pictures?
I can see the boy smiling because the boy is reading a book.
Very good. Next one.
I can see the girl smiling because the girl is riding a bike.
Very good. Good job. So what is the difference between 4 of them?
The girl is crying. It's different.
Yes, good job. Because the 3 of them is smiling. She is the one who crying. So that is the difference between of them. Okay. How about in the third pictures? What can you see?
I can see the family
Good job. Next.
cooking.
Very
I
good.
can see the family is eating.
Good job. Next.
I can see the family is playing.
Very good. Next.
I can see the family is in the farmer.
Good job. Or farm. Can you say that one again? The family.
The family is on the farm.
Very good. Good job. Okay. So what is the difference between these
The
3
family
pictures?
is it.
Okay. Very good. Good job. Okay, next. Pictures. What can you see in the first pictures?
I can see 3 people is in the beach.
Good job. Next.
I can see the 2 children is play the truck.
Very good. Or the 2 children is playing in the beach. Can you say that one again?
The 2 children is play in the beach.
Very good. Next one.
I can see 2 children play in the garden.
Very good. But how about in the 4 pictures?
I can see 2 children. One The children is crying. I can see the children is standing.
Okay. Very good. Good job. Or climb. Okay. Again, my dear, I can see the children is climbing the tree. Can you say that one?
The children climb in the tree.
Very good. Good job. So what is the difference between the four of the pictures?
Uh, two, two children play in the garden.
Yes, very good, my dear. Good job. Okay, very good. Okay, we will go to our next topic. Okay. Okay, again. So, okay. My dear, can you find the differences between these two pictures?
I can see the spider is on the nose.
Okay. Okay, again. The spider is on the nose of crocodile.
The spider is on the nose of the crocodile.
Yeah. Okay, very good, my dear. Good job. And then second pictures.
The I can see spider is on the
Body of crocodile.
body on the crocodile.
Very good. Good job. Next.
I can
Maybe.
see parrot.
Okay, can you say it again?
Con này này.
Đọc lại cho cô đi. Chị đọc lại lần nữa đi.
Parrot mà.
Đọc lại to lên.
I can see parrot. It's red.
Good job. And the next picture,
I
second
can
picture.
see parrot. It's green.
Very good. Okay, next, the difference.
I can see the hat is big.
Okay, how about in the second pictures?
I can see the hat is small.
Very good. So how next?
I can see the back. I can see
Very
back.
good job. The next picture?
I can see the mop.
Yes, very good, my dear. Good job. So here's the suggest. Okay, can you please read the key of this?
This parrot is red, but the parrot is green.
Good job. So can you please describe four other differences?
Big mouth, back and mouth.
Good
Big
job.
hat, small hat. Spider on nose. Spider on black.
Yes, good job. Next.
Teeth. No teeth.
Yes, good job. So that is the other differences. Okay. Can you see the crocodile is in the first picture it has a teeth. So in the next pictures it has no teeth. Okay. Next. Okay. We will have to talk about your family and friends. So okay, my dear, how many people are there in your family?
There are 4 people in my family.
Wow, very good. Can you please name it?
My dad, my mom, my brother, and me.
Wow, very very good. Good job. Okay. What do you like doing with your family?
Yeah.
What do you like doing with your family, my dear?
I like playing with my brother.
Wow, very good. What did you play with your brother?
I play games.
Wow, what kind of games? Is it in gadgets?
It's game robot.
Can you say it again?
Game robot.
Wow, do you have a robot? Toys?
I play in the computer.
Oh, computer. Wow. Wow, that's nice, my dear. Okay. Do you have any best friend?
Yes,
Oh, can you please describe? Is it a girl or boy?
girl.
Okay. Can you please describe her? She is what?
Name?
No, her personality.
What?
Or, okay, wait. Or, oh, wait.
I don't know.
Okay, wait. This, right? This, right? Your best friend. Okay.
Hãy mô tả người bạn thân nhất của bạn.
Hmm.
Oh,
Yeah.
my friend is beautiful.
Wow, beautiful, just like you. Oh,
My
wow.
friend is short.
Choice.
My
Wow.
friend is long hair.
Wow.
My friend is big.
Wow. How about you? Okay. Next questions. What games do you play with your friends?
I play game Barbie.
Wow, what's that, my dear? What is Bobby? Barbie?
Yeah,
Wow. Okay, can you say it again? I play Barbie with my friends.
I play Barbie with my friend.
Wow, very good. Good job. Okay, can you please tell me about your best friend? How,
Mm,
what can you say with your best friend?
My best friend is like playing.
Wow, she like playing. Okay, can you say this one? My best friend is like playing with me.
My best friend is like playing with me.
Wow, good job, my dear. Very good. Okay, so next we will have a story. Okay, in the first picture, what can you see?
I can see the man is riding a bike.
Yes, good job. How about in the next picture?
I can see the trees. I can see the shoes. I can see the leaves. I can see the man is on the bike.
Yes, very good. But what is he see? What is he saw in the tree?
He is see the friends.
Yes, you see the girl is climbing a tree so that what can you see in the four pictures?
I can see the man see the girl.
Yes, he is seeing the girl so that what can you see in the four pictures?
I can see the girl smiling
Yes, or laughing with the boy because
because the boy is in the water.
yes, very good, good job. Okay. Can you please tell me this story in the story? Okay. For example, this is the what you're gonna to do in the story, my dear. Okay. There's a
Sorry.
boy riding a bike in the mountain.
The girl
The boy, okay, again. The boy is riding a bike in the mountains, but he saw a girl climb in the tree.
tree.
So he can't saw, so he saw it and then he is what?
He is
Falling in the
falling
water.
in the water.
Because of that, the girl is laughing at him. Yeah, so that is the story, my dear. Okay, here's some questions, my dear. What is Peter doing now, my dear? He is Peter. He is Peter, my dear. Okay. Yeah. So what is Peter doing now? He is what? What is he doing?
Là cô hỏi cái gì nhá?
Okay. Okay, what can you see? What is he doing?
He is riding a bike.
Yes, good job. How about what can you see in the tree?
I can see the picture in the tree.
Okay, again, what can Peter see in the tree?
Peter is see the boy in the water.
Okay, but Peter is riding a bike.
Peter is riding a bike.
Okay, wait. Peter is riding a bike, but what can he saw? He saw what?
He's so happy.
Okay, he saw a girl climbing a tree. Okay, can you say that one? Peter saw a girl climbing a tree. Can you say that one?
Peter saw girl climbing the tree.
Very good. Is Peter looking at the road?
Mm,
Is it Peter looking on the at the road?
no.
Okay, can you say this one? No, Peter is not looking at the road. Can you say that one, my dear?
No, Peter is not seeing Peter road.
Okay, can you say it again? No, Peter is not looking at the road.
No, Peter is not is not looking
At
at the road.
very good, good job. What is in front of him?
The bike is in front of the
Okay, what?
boy.
Okay, again, what is in front of him?
The
Because he is not looking on the road, so what is can you see on the front of him? There's a what?
I can see the bike is in front of the boy.
Okay, but in the pictures, my dear, what is in the front? What is this? What is this, my dear?
It's road.
It's what? This one.
It's water.
Yes, good job. Okay. Here's the questions. What is in the front of him?
The bike is front of he.
Okay. But what is in the front of him? Because he is not looking at the road. So, what is in the front of him? There's a what? What's this? What's this, my dear? This one. Because he is not looking. So, what is in the front of him? What's this?
The water.
Yes, good job. In the front of him, there's a water. Okay, can you say that one, my dear?
The water is in front of he.
Very good, good job. Where's Peter now?
Peter is in the water.
Yes, very good. Is he happy?
No.
Okay, can you say that one? No, he is not happy.
No, he is not happy.
Yes, very good. So that is the story. Okay. So I think this is the end of our class. Thank you, my dear. And goodbye. It
Goodbye.
was, wow, it was nice to see you again. Okay, again, what is my name?
Ekara.
Okay, again, teacher Erica.
Okay.
Yes. Goodbye, my dear. You have to sleep early, okay?
Thank you, teacher.
Yes, you're welcome, my dear. Goodbye. See you when I see you again. Goodbye.
See you next time.
Yes, see you next time too, my dear. Good night.
Good night.
Wow. Goodbye.